This is gonna be the mail time of the century, guys. Mail time of the freaking millennium. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes here, and these 5 boxes of shoes are worth over $10,000. It's worth over 10 grand, guys. 10 grand worth of shoes. It's gonna be crazy. There's gonna be some shoes you guys have probably never seen before in these boxes. And what's even better is that I did not pay 10 grand for these shoes. They're worth $10,000, but I actually only spent $4,000. So I'll show you guys exactly how I hacked that and how I got all of this stuff for basically like over 50% off. It's gonna be a good episode, guys. Biggest mail time ever. Stay tuned. That's coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a freaking insane mail time, guys. 10 grand worth of sneakers. There's some insane stuff in here, guys. And like I said earlier, I did not spend 10 grand for these shoes. And I know you guys are thinking, well, that's clickbait, man. Why would you clickbait us? Okay, hold up. It's not clickbait. There is $10,000 worth of shoes in these boxes, but I actually only paid 4 grand for them. And the reason why is because I buy shoes used. That's cheating. You can't buy used. Used shoes are lame. It's not cool. Honestly, man, this entire collection back here, I would say that 80% of it was buying used. And the reason why is just because you can save so much money on these things, man. Like, I come from a place that I did not have money growing up, but I still wanted to get hype sneakers. And the thing is, if you buy used, you can get huge discounts on shoes. So I'll show you exactly what I copped. All of these shoes were copped from GoDapp. If you guys don't have GoDapp yet, highly recommend you go to the description below and click on that link to download it literally right this second. Go there and hit that link to get the app, because all of these shoes were bought used on GOAT, and I saved $6,000 on these shoes because I bought used. And when you guys see the condition of used, you're gonna be like, those don't even look used. And that's the thing, man. If somebody wears a shoe one time, the price can go down a whole bunch instead of it being considered dead stock. So that's how you can save so much. And the reason why I use GoDapp is because not only are all the shoes authentic, for one, so you know it's legit, everything is 100% secure and safe. It's also like the #1 marketplace and like the only marketplace where you can buy those authentic used shoes. So if you guys are interested in that, highly recommend you hit that link, check it out. With that being said, let's open up a couple of these and I'll show you guys exactly what I copped and just how insane some of these pickups are. So first things first, we'll check out this box. So you guys can tell we have a Jordan 1 box, my favorite kind of shoe. We have a pair of Jordan 1 top 3. So let me show you guys this first. Obviously you guys want the GOAT card in here that shows that it's a legit sneaker. These shoes are sent to GOAT's warehouse first, and then they're authenticated, making sure that they're legit, and then they're sent to your doorstep. So that's what I like about it, and that's why I feel most safe. Buying used is a little bit harder because there might be some discrepancies on the shoe from it being worn that you can't tell if it's legit or not. And that's the reason why I buy all my used shoes on GoDapp. Anyway, check this out. This is the Jordan 1 top 3. You guys can see the royal vibes back here. It has the bread vibes on the toe. And then on the other shoe, you guys can see those Chicago vibes. So bringing the best Jordans together into a very interesting collab. A lot of people were thinking these were clown shoes. I think I even said myself that they kind of look like clown shoes. But since I got rid of my pair, I've always wanted another one of these. So I picked it up on GoDapp, and the price was very good. So these shoes typically sell dead stock brand new for over 500 bucks. I got this one for 220 bucks, man. 220 bucks, so that's a 50% saving, over 50% savings. And then with that 250 bucks, you can go buy another shoe on GOAT, and that's how you can build up a collection like this for like half the price. This is not even close to the hype that's in the rest of these boxes though. Okay, so these two are the most hyped ones. I'm gonna put these on the side. I guarantee you have never seen an unboxing for, I think it's this one. But we'll move over to here now. This is a pair of Air Fear God 1s. Again, GOAT card, so you guys know it's legit. All the laces, all of the extras in here. And the shoe that we got though is the Air Fog in the black colorway. So this thing is a shoe that's really grown on me, man. You guys can check it out over here. It is a very clean design. Honestly, I was not feeling it at first, but since I've like started to see them on feet and with like athletic pants and stuff, they look very nice. So check this out. This is what I mean. Like, this is a used shoe. You guys can see that there's a little bit of dirt on the bottom, but overall, man, this is practically brand new. And that is why I love buying used, because again, these things are going for maybe like 900 something bucks now on the market, brand new. Used, I got this one for 700 bucks for this shoe. So you can save hundreds and hundreds of dollars on shoes, maybe even thousands. I'll show you guys those other shoes in a bit. Thousands you can save. Legit, guys, I'm gonna be changing your mind about used shoes by the end of this video. You guys are all gonna be copying from GOAT, no doubt. So another Air Fog box, guys. So we still have the accessory bag here, all of this here, but this one is a pair of the Air Fog in the gray colorway. So you guys can see over here, this one is also bought used. Like I said, all of them have been bought used. But again, the bottoms look almost perfectly clear. You guys can see over here on like the midsole. Uppers are like pristine, man. There's like no damage on these uppers at all. Bottoms, slightly dirtied, so maybe try it on once. So new on GoDaddy, these things are going for like $850+. I actually caught this one for $650 on Goat used. $650. I think that's a good come up, man. Okay, so now we're getting into the super crazy shoes. Like these are the shoes that not only are you saving like hundreds, you're saving potentially thousands of dollars by buying used. And one of the things that I gotta mention and what you guys should be doing is honestly, like when you download the GoDaddy app in the description below and you guys go on the app, I'll put it up on the screen over here. Literally what I do is I set certain shoes that I want. Like you click want on the shoe. So say it's like one of those Air Fogs. I click on want, and then what I do is like literally a couple times throughout the day, I go onto the app and I click on that shoe and I check the used listings. This is a marketplace with thousands of hundreds of thousands of shoes. So if you literally check back, it could be a new shoe that's been posted like since you last checked. So that's why I check continuously, and there will be steals and deals on there, guys. Like the market for new shoes is pretty much set. Like there's gonna be a consensus, like this is how much it costs. Whereas if you buy a used shoe, there's no set market. Like it doesn't show like if you have one scratch on a shoe, you minus $10. You're missing the shoelace, you minus $20. There's no like exact science. So there can be prices all over the place because the market is completely open. So if I see a price that's like lower than normal, like I see, okay, $650 for like that gray Air Fog, I'm gonna jump on it if the quality is good. So that's what I did, and that's how I can stay on top of this stuff. So make a whole list of wants and then just keep checking back periodically. That's what I do. Secret for you guys. You can only do that on GoDaddy app though, so check it out. Let's see what we got here. The huge money shoes. I opened the wrong box. I can't show you guys this yet. We're gonna switch to this box first. This is what happens when you buy so many shoes and you don't know what's in the box. Sorry to mess you guys up there. Let's check out this one first. I was seriously thinking about editing it and just not saying anything, but you guys probably would have noticed the box is like bigger for this one. Oh, what the heck is this? This is interesting. How do I open this? Okay, so you guys can see the GOAT card still legit. GOAT card in here. But yeah, the shoe that we have is a pair of Yeezy 2 Platinums. Yeezy 2 Plats. I already have one in the back. You guys can see it over there. However, this is another pair that I saw for a steal, so I didn't have a choice but to go get it. And this is what I mean by like saving thousands of dollars. So you guys can check it out over here. This one is probably the most worn sneaker that we've unboxed so far today. But by worn, it's still not bad. Like for the type of shoe that you're getting, I feel like this is still pretty solid quality. So over here, there is some like scuffing on the back. Bottom's dirty, but not terrible. You don't see a whole bunch of heel drag. It's not crazy. There's not like any cuts in the lining. There's nothing crazy in here. And the upper is pretty darn clean considering how old this shoe is. So that's why I cop these things, man, because you can save so much money on this stuff. Like this is not a cheap shoe. In dead stock condition, these things are worth $3,500. Like they're selling for $3,500. Can you guess how much I bought this one for used? Guess. Go ahead, take a guess. I bet you will not guess it. Okay, time's up. I bought this shoe for $950. 950 versus 3,500. Cannot tell me that you would not buy this for basically like almost $2,000 less. Like you cannot tell me you would skip up on this shoe. And people don't understand, this is like stuff you can clean up, like a scuff. Like you can just wipe this off most of the time, clean it up, it'll look great. So that's what I mean, man. Like you want to save $2,000 on a shoe? Buy freaking used, man. Look at that. From far away, you guys can barely tell that's used. Once it's on your feet, man, people don't know if you bought it used or not. And if you guys are worried about like a stigma, like buying used shoes makes you look poor or makes you look like you're not cool or whatever, like this. Honestly, man, you shouldn't care about that for one. But number two, once it's on your feet, nobody knows if it was used or not. They're just gonna think that you wore it already. So that's what happens. Like, it doesn't matter. Cop it used. That's just my secret. I'm helping you guys out. Some people can't get over the hump of wearing used sneakers. If it saves me $2,000, I'm gonna do it, man. I come from a place where saving money is important, so $2,000 savings. So I know I messed up on the shoe in this box. I wanted to save it for last though, because I know this is a shoe you guys have probably not seen like unboxed on any YouTube channel before. I can't believe I have this now. I'm very excited to show you guys this. Again, this was caught from GoDaddy. You guys can see the GOAT verified box in here. I'm excited. You guys can see it, dude. I'm like freaking out. This is like better than any kind of beater box or anything. Okay, so we got the GOAT card one. Number two, certificate of authenticity. Sorry, I'll put it over here. You guys can't really see that with the lighting. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell what the shoe is based off of this. So this, man, is a pair of Yeezy 2 Golden Childs from Lasco and Geiger, man. This is insane, dude. Look at this. This is crazy. So it's a Yeezy 2 custom, technically custom, but it's like a certified custom. So you guys can check it out over here. Very, very insane shoe. It's like a premium Yeezy 2 model. So exactly the same model, but you guys can see like that premium vibes. This is like all high quality leather. The laces over here, leather. The sole, I believe the sole is glow in the dark as well. And overall, just a very, very nice and intricate design, man. It's like premium materials all throughout the shoe. And again, this was made through Geiger and Lasco. It was a collab called the Golden Child. And these things were like very, very limited. I believe there was like less than 100 pairs of these made. And this is honestly like, man, like very, very unique of a shoe. Like I really like this. Some people can't deal with customs. They think it's like a fake shoe. I consider this like an authentic Yeezy 2, like legit Yeezy 2. You guys can let me know what you guys think in the comments below though. I highly enjoy this. I love this. So this shoe typically resells right now for like over $3,000 as well, like over 3 grand. I mean, for the quality and the materials you're getting, I can see why. Anyway, they're going for over 3 grand. Your boy ended up paying retail for this thing, $1,850 retail. They're going for typically over 3 grand. The reason why I was able to cop this for cheaper is because there was no box it came with. So even things like not having a box can affect the value of a shoe. So because of that, I was able to save a whole bunch of money because I bought it technically like new but not completely new. Anyway, that is it, guys. That's $10,000 worth of shoes right there for spending like basically 4 grand. So that is insane stuff, dude. And I'm just trying to help you guys out as much as I can. Like, you guys don't need to take my advice. If you guys don't like wearing used shoes and there's like a problem there's like a fear of like, oh, athlete's foot or this weird stigma, that's up to you, and you guys can go ahead and buy new on the app instead. However, for the guys that are more like conscious of like their money and stuff, and you know, they're trying to find the best deals and steals and save and be able to build collections like this, honestly, download the GOAT app right now in the link and check out used sections. Check out the used sections because there are some insane steals on there, man. I hope this video shows you guys like how much money you can actually save by buying used. Like, I honestly feel like everybody should be doing it and nobody's doing it, which is crazy to me. But make sure that you guys only buy from GOAT app because I want you guys to make sure you guys are buying authentic shoes. Like, I don't want you guys buying fakes. I don't want you guys buying used pairs and then finding out later on, I bought it used for like $100, but I found out that it was a fake. That's a horror story. So if it's too good to be true, like from any other place, it probably is a fake. But if it's too good to be true on GOAT, at least you have the authentication factor from their warehouse knowing that this is too good to be true, but it's authentic. We're sending it to you. So that is that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Biggest mail time ever on this channel. I could not make these mail times happen without buying from there. So very cool stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Do not forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed this content. Hopefully I can start doing like bigger mail times, like huge mail times, if we can continue to find steals and deals on go-to section. So let me know, comment down below if you guys enjoyed this. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you. Aloha, shoots.